Welcome to the family of Paces Communities. The management and maintenance staff are here to help you become acquainted with your new apartment home. This 30-minute video will help answer some of the questions you have about general maintenance of your new apartment. The rules and regulations of the apartment community are also included. This allows all the residents to have a pleasant place to live. If you have any questions after watching the video, please feel free to discuss them with the manager or maintenance staff. We are glad to have you as part of our community.
Welcome home. I'm here to demonstrate a few aspects of your apartment home that'll make your move a lot easier. Our first stop today is going to be your kitchen. Your kitchen is the place where all of your major appliances are. You have your stove, refrigerator, dishwasher, and your sink with a garbage disposal. We're going to start off with your refrigerator. Your refrigerator has two separate compartments, the freezer compartment and the refrigerated foods compartment. We are going to start off with the freezer, which controls all of your cooling in the top and the bottom sections of your refrigerator. In some apartment homes, there are two compartments to your freezer, the ice maker and the ventilation system. One thing to remember about your ventilation system is that you have a fan in the back and vents either in the front or in the bottom portion of the freezer. Do not block either one of these because they will limit how much air circulation goes through your refrigerator, and it will limit how well your refrigerator cools for you. The second component is your ice maker. The ice maker is connected in the back of the refrigerator where it is fed by water. If you ever notice that you have water leaking or moisture around the back of your refrigerator or underneath your refrigerator, definitely contact your maintenance service associate so that they can take care of this issue for you. The second part of your refrigerator is your refrigerated section. This is where we're going to keep our milk, eggs, things like that. There are several compartments in your lower refrigerator area. You have the wall door, which has all your shelving for your small items. You have shelves that are located usually in 3 levels in your refrigerator. Each of those levels is usually made out of glass or plastic. They are not designed to hold a ton of weight. They're designed to hold just a little bit of weight. We also have the crisper drawer, which is where we keep a lot of us keep our vegetables. In order to keep these safe and clean, do not overfill them. Keep them with a minimum amount of weight whenever you do put items in them. Just above your crisper drawer is your crisper tray. This is also made out of glass or plastic, and it is designed to hold a minimum amount of weight. Do not overload them as they will break. This is your control setting for the cooling of your refrigerator. It is preset by the factory, and it is for the optimum operating capacity for your refrigerator. If you feel that your refrigerator is not working to where you need it to be, please contact your maintenance associate to help have it adjusted. Another appliance in your kitchen is your range oven. There are 2 compartments to this also. There's the cooktop surface and the oven. The cooktop consists of 4 eyes or burners, depending if you have gas or electric. Each of these burners has a drip pan underneath. These drip pans are designed to catch any spillage you have while you are cooking. They are replaceable and can be found at any hardware store in your local neighborhood. The drip pans are also designed to help prevent fires. If you ever happen to have a fire in your apartment home, we provide a fire extinguisher for you. This fire extinguisher is located underneath your kitchen sink. Normally it is mounted against the left wall or right wall underneath your kitchen sink. The second component of your oven and range is your oven compartment. If you pull the door open, remember that when you do open the door, that this device loses its balance. So do not put pressure on the door. You have the bottom of your oven and usually 2 racks in your oven. These racks are mobile and can slide. They make it easier for you to keep them clean. And we strongly suggest that you keep the inside of your oven as clean as possible. One of the habits we notice a lot of our residents do is to wrap the tinfoil around their pans or to place a piece of tinfoil at the bottom of the oven. We strongly discourage this because it can result in fires. Another component of your apartment home is your stainless steel sink and garbage disposal. All of our apartment homes come with either one or two basin sinks. In that sink you will have one drain and one garbage disposal. You'll also have your faucet. Your faucet usually has one or two handles for hot and cold water. Sometimes these leak and sometimes they drip. If either one of those occur, please contact your service associate so that they can take care of it for you. Your stainless steel sink is easy to clean. Hot soapy water is the best thing to use. Don't use Clorox and don't use abrasive surfaces because it will actually change the surface of your sink and make it look quite unattractive. In each of our apartment homes, the garbage disposal is located inside the sink. Please remember that only light foods need to be placed inside of your garbage disposal. Things like rice, lettuce, and items that are small grain like that do not need to go down your garbage disposal. Larger items like apple cores or leftover remnants of your dinner from the night before. We always suggest too that once a week you pour a tray of ice cubes down your garbage disposal to help keep the blades clean. If your sink ever clogs up, please contact your service associate to help you unclog it. Do not use the plunger on your sink. On the garbage disposal, you will notice that the machine itself is actually located underneath the sink. It's a large apparatus that is located directly underneath the drain of your sink. If your garbage disposal ever fails to operate, there is a button located on the very bottom of your garbage disposal. If you will press and hold this button, that garbage disposal will reset itself. Then you can try using your garbage disposal again. If that does not work, then contact our service associate and they'll take care of it for you. The final component in your kitchen is your dishwasher. Your dishwasher is normally located directly next to your sink, and if you'll notice, it has three different compartments to it. You've got the door, which has three different trays in it. One's for a rinse agent, one's for power washing, and one's for light washing. You also have a lower rack which slides out and it is on wheels. This is designed to keep your silverware, your plates, and your skillets. It's the best place to place those. If you'll notice also, you have a raised section here in the middle of your dishwasher. This section is designed so that a spray tower can come up and spray the top rack of your dishwasher and get everything clean. Please remember to keep all of your dishes facing towards the middle of your tray and not to block this opening by having dishes laying against it or over it. You have an upper section also. This is designed for bowls, glasses, and any of some of your larger objects. These are normally the lighter weight items that are not real safe to be near a heating coil. This is also where you'll put plastic cups and plastic bowls. Please remember, do not put plastic silverware or straws in your dishwasher. In the bottom of your dishwasher, you will also notice that there's a little bit of debris in the bottom. This debris can be prevented by rinsing your dishes on the garbage disposal side of your sink or scraping extra items off of your plate into a trash can. Now remember, I said there were three compartments in your dishwasher door. One is for a rinsing agent, one is for power washing, and one is for light washing. Using the appropriate type of detergent is very important for safely operating your dishwasher. There are two types of detergents for dishes. One is for dishwashing detergent. It is used in the sink, not in your dishwasher. The other is a dishwasher fluid. There are two different types actually. There's the liquid kind, then there's also a powder kind. If you choose to go with the liquid kind, you need to make certain that you shake the bottle vigorously each time before dispensing them. You will notice in your bathroom and kitchen you have an outlet that is called a ground fault interrupted outlet, or GFI. Those are easily noted because they are square on the exterior instead of being rounded. You will have either one in your kitchen and one in your bathroom, or just one in your bathroom, or just one in your kitchen. These are designed to stop the flow of electricity in case there's ever any water contact.